She has asked me to stage and restyle her home. A little sneak peek of something else on OfferUp, and it was $50. Very bright. Hey guys, so we are starting kind of a new little series, kind of giving you more of like a behind the scenes, things that I do day to day are pretty much all centered around YouTube or design or projects that we have going on during the week. There's also a little bit of daily life with my kids and things like that. So I thought, like, why don't we just try like a little vlog type series, but it's more kind of centered around like projects and design and home and all that type of stuff. So it's not like a full like home vlog, if you know what I mean. So I thought, oh, this would kind of be like really fun to share with you guys. So yeah, why not? We'll just try it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like to see this type of thing. Of course, we will still have our regular DIYs and projects and our decorating videos and all that on our Sunday release, but this is just kind of a little bonus or a little extra that I wanted to try and yeah, see if you guys like it. So let me know. Right now let me flip this around. Right now I am working on some painting. You guys would not believe how much work it is painting cabinets. We got these completely raw. We're working with new cabinet doors. And so we have primered and given these a first coat. I have sanded them in between. So that's kind of they're little sanding marks. So they're ready to get their final coat. This is not lunch. This is paint actually. So I have to go run a quick little errand. So I'm just gonna cover all this up. If you guys are interested in the color that we're using, this is Pashmina by Benjamin Moore. It is such a pretty brown. I really love this paint choice. I think it was a really good choice. We still have all of our fall finds here. Y'all, my house is literally in shambles, but we're getting there. So this is just like daily life. I also wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of something else I am currently working on. So these are our new vessels for Elm & Co. for the candle line. And we have labels also in production as well. We have these in white, and I am also thinking about possibly doing them in the gray. I'm not sure yet on the gray, but I really love the white so much. These are some different sample labels. This one's a little off-centered, so I have to fix that. These are like different papers and stuff that we're deciding on for the candle line, but yeah, we're getting there, but just a little sneak peek. So I also have more cabinets here. We have more cabinets here. Those are the slab drawers back there. All of these have already had their final coat. So these are just waiting to be hung. We also have more cabinets here, more cabinets here. This one still needs to be cleaned and painted, final coat and all that. So I think this is going to be going to my friend's house that we're working on. So I'm gonna pack up some stuff and head over there so I can show you guys what we've got going on over there. Okay, so we are in my friend's house right now. She is the sweetest person on earth. She has asked me to kind of stage and restyle her home, and it needed a lot. So there is, let me take you guys around. I just got here. So everything is kind of packed up and ready to go. So they almost just need help kind of styling and staging it to sell. Yeah, I'm gonna be helping her over the next couple months kind of get things ready. We're so excited for this project. I'm so excited for her, and that she just trusts me with her home means so much. So let me take you guys around and we'll show you kind of the plan, and this is going to be part of the series. We're going to go kind of room by room and yeah, show you how we style and stage and do all this fun stuff. So I'm excited I get to share it with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys on a quick little walkthrough. So this is the front entrance when you walk in, and she has given me permission to do all of the content for this, so no worry on that. She is totally okay with all of this. So this is the entry. We have kind of some mood boards mapped out that I have made. So I'll be showing you guys what we have in mind for all these spaces. So we're trying to save money when we can and where we can. So a lot of this is going to be very budget friendly and DIY. So hopefully you guys can get some inspo from this too. So a lot of these pieces I'm going to show you, she has bought secondhand. So she's very thrifty and DIY, which is totally up my alley. So all of this is definitely going to be cleaned up as well. So these are some chairs that she has picked up secondhand. So I told her that we can either do a really good cleaning on them or even possibly upholster and redo the legs. So that is, but these are such a good size chair. These are really cute chairs. I actually really think those are a great find. Just need a little bit of love. Okay, this, you guys, so she found this on OfferUp and it was $50 and it is so adorable. I think it is the cutest coffee table. Look at these legs. So cute, such a cute transitional piece. I can't figure out why the drawers are not opening, but even the color, I don't think the color is bad at all. I think it is actually a really pretty, really rich brown. So I'm gonna have to see once we get like a rug and clean it up in here. I don't know, what do you guys think? You think we should leave the color or do you think we should repaint? Such a beautiful table. That is an amazing find. This is the living room. So what I am envisioning in here is she's definitely going to need a couch, which we are on the hunt for right now. We're going to be doing some type of console or yeah, hopefully we can figure out something with the TV situation. The chairs and the coffee table will be centered here with a rug. This is the dining room space, so we are going to be taking that down and probably replacing with a light. I think that cabinet is going to be going. And this table, so this table she actually picked up secondhand. It definitely needs some love. Okay, so this is the kitchen. So the kitchen was like this when they moved in. She has, I think she said this wall was like this when they moved in as well, and she hasn't touched it. So it's very bright. So we're going to be repainting this, definitely replacing the light. She is going to need some type of new window treatment. Okay, so these are some of the things that I told her to set aside. I don't think we're going to be using these pillow covers, but probably the insert inside would be, it's a really nice size for like a sham on the bed. And then she has this little basket. I thought we could, this is definitely like boho. So this is a way that we could incorporate her love of boho into the decor somehow. She had this basket. I am not crazy about the color. However, I was thinking even black, if we could spray it black, that would be really cute. And then this is a nice little warm throw that we could always use with a black basket. I feel like that would look kind of cute together. So we also had some pillows. These were in like that dark blue cover, but these are a really great insert. They're a really nice choppable insert, so I pulled these out. We won't use the cover, but these are a great pillow to hang on to, definitely. I think we could put the bed right in between the center windows, redo the curtains, get a new light, and I feel like once you walk in, the focal point would be the bed with new drapes, a rug, possibly a new bed frame headboard. These are a project piece, which we are going to be flipping, so those will not look the way they do. So yeah, lots of projects in here, but I feel like it definitely has potential. I could see the space in my head. Okay, hey guys, it is officially Tuesday morning. Ugh, I'm so tired. So I am making wedding candles currently. I am putting labels onto all these candles. Let me flip this around. Right, so we've got candles here that are ready to go. They just need labels. We are going to be offering kind of event type candles. So for weddings, bridal showers, baby showers, favor type candles. I just have a couple kinks to work out with my printer because they're not exactly printing right. So I'm gonna use what I have and then go in there and fix what I need to. So this is one of our new scents. It is Mediterranean Orange. It is so good. I wish you guys could smell it. It's really like refreshing, but fall-like. It's just a really great combination. Right, so we have finished all of these wedding candles. They just need a label now, and we put these on the boxes. We have the kids home from school, and it is time for dinner in a little while, and then soccer practice. All right, home from practice. Okay, Mav, you need shoes on. Are you ready for picture day?
Yeah.
Yeah. You look so cute. So handsome. Okay, good morning. Kids are off to school. I have to shoot some thumbnail pictures for a reel that I am going to be uploading. Plans today are finish up. I have like one side of the cabinet to finish up, and then we will be hanging them hopefully tonight and the rest of this week, and getting those all figured out and situated and filmed and all that fun stuff. So yeah, pretty much just cleaning house, finishing up reel today, painting, candle stuff. Okay guys, it is Friday morning. I am at Lowe's. I'm gonna look at some fall plants for my porch, and yeah, I just got back from Target. I had to run some errands and get some stuff from there.
Mom's too hot. These are Mom's.
Okay, I am in the trim section. I'm looking for trims. We need to finish the trim on the cabinets. So I think I got what I needed. I think this is gonna work. Okay, so I am in the car pickup line. I have to get home and work on the fall porch. We have like a really busy weekend ahead of us, so I'm kind of excited, but yeah, it's going to be a lot. So we're hoping to finish up the cabinets. I know I've been saying that for like 3 weeks, but hoping to finish up these cabinet doors. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this type of video. It's kind of like a little trial type thing. I'm just seeing if you guys are up for this. Like I said, it would just be bonus. It would be on top of what we do on Sunday. Let me know if you guys want to continually see these, and I can keep doing them. They're really fun. They're a lot more casual. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Hope you guys had a great week, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.